Tracking your sales with JungleScout is a game changer if you're looking to scale your Amazon business. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use JungleScout to track your sales, and by the end, you'll be able to monitor your product performance with precision. Stick around till the end because I'll also show you how you can get access to a special free trial of JungleScout, something you won't want to miss. First, let's dive into the JungleScout sales tracker. JungleScout is a powerful tool designed for Amazon sellers to streamline your business decisions, especially when it comes to tracking sales. You can track your sales history, monitor product trends, and get real-time insights that can help guide your strategy. Once you log into JungleScout, you'll find the Sales Analytics dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard gives you a comprehensive view of your sales performance, showing you daily, weekly, and monthly sales data. This data can be segmented by individual products, so you get a granular look at how each item in your inventory is doing. To track your sales, JungleScout integrates directly with your Amazon Seller Central account. Once connected, it pulls in your sales data automatically, so you don't have to do any manual data entry. This level of automation saves you valuable time and reduces the risk of errors. Now, the real value comes when you can view your sales trends over time. The charts in JungleScout are interactive, so you can zoom in on a particular period to see how promotions, seasonal changes, or even price adjustments affect your sales. This helps you make more informed decisions about pricing and inventory management. Another fantastic feature JungleScout offers is the ability to compare your sales with market trends. JungleScout provides insights into how your sales align with competitors. This can be particularly valuable because it shows you if your sales are on track or if there's an opportunity to adjust your strategy to outperform others in your niche. Tracking profitability is also a key element JungleScout helps with. The software allows you to link your expenses like Amazon fees, shipping, and product costs to track your profits more accurately. You'll get a clear picture of your margins, making it easier to figure out where to cut costs or invest more to maximize returns. Beyond just tracking sales, JungleScout also lets you set up sales goals. If you're aiming for a specific revenue target or want to reach a certain number of units sold, JungleScout allows you to track your progress against these goals, keeping you motivated and aligned with your business objectives. As I mentioned earlier, you can get started with JungleScout for free using the first link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the software, but we've secured an exclusive bonus that will give you extended access, so you can truly test out everything JungleScout has to offer without the pressure. In summary, tracking your sales with JungleScout gives you an edge over competitors by automating the process and providing detailed insights into your performance. It's perfect for Amazon sellers who want to save time, increase profits, and make smarter decisions. So make sure to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial and bonuses, and start tracking your sales with JungleScout today.